Anyways, folks, I got this Curex, I don't know, a keyboard. Now, I just bought this one from Amazon too, but it doesn't have a backlight, man. When you get to be my age, your eyes begin to go bad because of the blue light from computers. And that's why I have a projector now, but I'll get to that later. Look at my other review. Because I had a big monitor, but that thing was tearing up my eyes. So let's, I ordered another one. And let's see how this backlight works. Now, y'all know me, I don't read directions. You should know that about me by now. Okay, I'm old school. But I do need a backlight because, yeah, I've been typing all my life, but there's still them numbers you just can't remember where they are. Them special characters. So I figure, let's see here, without reading directions, let's undo this umbilical cord. Whatever they call that thing. Let's undo this real quick. I'm trying to do this all in one shoot. Okay, I got that thing off, that twister. Now, to me it should be very basic. You have your USB port cable here, so I'm going to unplug the current one I have. It should just be basic, dude. And let me plug the new one in. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Oh, look at that. You see that? Let me turn this light off here. You see that? See how well lit up that is, man? Come on, man. Light bright, come and remember those commercials? If you're Gen X, like, remember that? Light bright, da-dee-dee. I still remember that stuff. I wish I was young again. I tell you what, today's world scares me. But so yeah, it's lit up nice and bright. No, it's supposed to have different colors here. Now, you know me, I don't read directions, so I'm just going to press the button, see what this does here. What the heck? That turns it off. Backspace. Come on, man. Are you not supposed to have different colors here? What does this mean? Nothing. Home? Nothing. Page up, page down. Or maybe it's just a simple white light. Let me see if it types okay. Okay, let's see here. Let me go to my forum. Okay, now I've just found a. Let me turn this fan off. That's what that noise is. I just found a random forum page that I'm on. Let me see. Let me just say, okay. How does this thing type? Okay. I guess. I'm not picky. I don't know if that's how you spell it or not. My high school teacher hit me over the head with a ruler. That's probably not how you spell it, picky. But it does work, and I'm able to see keyboard at night. I feel like Kermit the Frog on Sesame Street. But